natural gas. In this video, I'll be going over my trade idea of the week in the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1-hour chart. We are approaching back to positive MACD. As with the 4-hour chart, we remain in negative MACD, seeing signs of a converge. And as with the daily chart, what we have here is we remain in positive MACD, but we did see it diverge. And as with the trade idea, I'll be trading UNG. My trade position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $24.52. My sell target is at $26.98. My stop loss is at $23.87. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $28.04, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $25.23. My stop loss is at $29.16. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day, or week of trading, natural gas has a 20% chance to climb between 0 to 7%, a 20% chance to climb between 7 to 13%. To the downside has a 20% chance to fall between 0 to negative 7%, and a 40% chance to fall between negative 7 to negative 13%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.